How Netflix makes money. Netflix is one of the most popular media streaming services providers in the world. Let's have a look at the rise of its paying subscribers. Its revenue has also grown exponentially in the last decade. Let's know that how it generates its revenue. Renting out DVDs and CDs of movies and shows was the main source of revenue for Netflix for many years. In the year 2007, it started its shift from renting DVDs to subscription-based model. Today, its three types of subscription plans are the primary sources of its revenue. Number 1. Basic package. Users can access unlimited shows and movies. It does not provide HD content and allows only one screen at once. Standard package. Two screens are allowed in the package. The quality of video is also HD. Number 3. Premium package. Media is available in Ultra HD quality in this package and allows 4 screens at once. Did you know? According to a survey, 58% of UK children use Netflix, but only 52% use YouTube. Thank you and subscribe for more videos.